I'm with Beth.
Hiya.
My angel cakes.
Hi.
Dee and Doll's Taylor.
Almost lost.
Hey! Okay, they don't want to be in the vlog. We are outside Build waiting to see Sabrina.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna poo.
Can we appreciate the fact that I came straight from work and I just did my makeup here? It looks like crap.
I'm so excited.
Can I have coffee?
I'm gonna be sick. I'm so. Oh my god. I said all the time because when I was like tweeting about it, like, I was like, what?
Different every single time, you know. William Singe from Mama. Sorry, am I rambling now?
No, I want to get like this is it.
William Singe from Mama was.
Yeah, I've always wanted to be a singer, whereas this is a bit more different in terms of being a musician.
So I did actually start out as a musician when I was 7-8 years old. I played the flute. Now I can confidently say that I played the flute now because on Rise, the new single, that is a flute on the intro. So
And are you playing it?
On keyboard.
Okay, Join Us Blue is finished. Sabrina is next. We're freaking out.
I have heart palpitations.
I missed her a lot.
Oh my gosh, help.
Vlog. Hi vlog.
People just walked in.
Sabrina Carpenter!
Or not.
As always, we're live from London, and today we're joined by a young superstar who is literally breaking the internet with 14.3 million followers on Instagram. She is a Disney alumni, but so much more than that. She's a singer, she's a songwriter, she's an actress. Please give it up for the very talented Sabrina Carpenter!
Such a nice intro, thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome. Sabrina, you are very welcome to the UK. Lots of fans here. How does it feel to be back?
Great, thank you for letting me in the country.
So when's the last time you were here?
I was here actually not too long ago, a couple months ago. I filmed a video with Jonas Blue for our song together.
Who was in just earlier on?
Literally, he just missed me. It's the worst. Like we literally walked right past each other.
I bet that happens all the time.
I can always FaceTime him though, so it's okay.
So your brand new single is out, Almost Loves. Tell us a little bit about that and how that's come about.
It's the first single off of my third album, and I wrote the song with Stargate. Crazy because it kind of came a lot later in the process of writing the album, which I feel like that always happens. I've been writing it for over 2 years now.
Wow, it's a long period.
Yeah, right? I know I'm getting old. And so then, as I was like towards, I want to say the last 6 months is when it really felt like, oh my goodness, it's coming together. And Almost Love, it wasn't the first time I wrote with Stargate. It was after we had already written a couple of songs together. But I had the title Almost Love written down in my phone for a long time. And I think just because I've had these encounters so many times in my life, these almost interactions that never quite turn into anything, and they're these like relationships and you never quite finish the story, and it's kind of awful, so I wanted to write a really upbeat song about it, and kind of enter my new album with a really confident
Go on. No more taking it slow. Almost love, almost love. It's almost love, but it could be.
Come to Las Vegas.
I'm always on planes, you know? I'm always on planes regardless, but right now I'm in the UK, so I'm gonna stay here for a sec.
What is your life?
But you're shouting yes. This is a controversial subject. I don't know if we should...
We love you! Is that car waiting for us? Sabrina! Stan Twitter's over here! Sabrina! Stan Twitter! Stan Twitter! Is this a video? Sabrina! Hi to the UK Carpenter. I love you so much. Carpenter, please. Miss Carpenter. Sorry.
Like, do it.
Kind of like separate words a little bit, like shocking.
We still met her, but
But
they was
almost didn't.
yeah, they almost did.
We got through.
Don't like non-stands. That is it. Today was a success. Woo! They're taking selfies. Why are you guys never paying attention when I'm vlogging?
Sorry.
Hi. Literally every single video. We met
Sabrina.
I'm so happy.
Love of my life.
I love her with all my heart. And on that note, bye!
Non-stands.